Oh, yeah. Are you Derrick? Are you
So, as you know, today we are calling the winner of RM30, this 1970 Dodge Charger and 50 grand. In the last live stream, we tried to call this winner and he just wasn't picking up. We sent a text, we sent an email, and then he saw the text and he started ringing us back. So we're here and we're gonna call him.
Yep, it was a little bit anticlimactic, but he saw our 50,000 missed calls and called us back wondering what it's about. So we're gonna try and call him back. We're live again so that we get all this live because that's the fun part.
Yeah. All right, we ready? All right, here we go.
We're calling.
Hello?
Hello, is this Derrick?
Yeah, this is Derrick. I've been trying to call y'all. I don't know who this is. Who's this?
Well, my name is Joe. I'm with RestoMods, but just before I get started here, we're streaming this phone call live on YouTube. Is that okay with you?
What's going on?
So we're from RestoMods. We give away a car every 3 months, and you signed up to enter to win a Chevelle with us a while back. Do you remember signing up for the giveaway for the silver Chevelle, 69 Chevelle? Hello, Derrick.
Hello? Derrick, are you there?
We love a good challenge.
Yeah, this one's it's challenging. Yeah.
Hello?
Hey, Derrick, this is Joe from RestoMods again. Are you familiar with RestoMods at all?
Yes, I am. I can't. Oh, wait a minute, please. You're not playing with me. I lost my voice. I'm sorry.
Oh, hey.
Oh no, it's all good. It's all good.
Okay.
No, I don't know what to do. I thank you, Lord Jesus. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're Derrick. No, wait.
Derrick, oh my goodness.
Oh, my God.
You know why we're calling then, Derrick. You know why.
Yeah. You called the wrong places. Man, you called me. I'm from Cedar, Texas. I'm from the hot now. Why you call me?
Derrick, we're calling you because you are the winner of RM30, a 1970 Charger, and $50,000 in cash.
Are you kidding me? Wow! Thank you, Lord! Wow! I can't believe it!
This is it, Derrick. You signed up, and you're the lucky winner, man.
Yep. You had signed up for our silver Chevelle a few months back. I don't know if you remember that car, but you had signed up for the membership, and your membership kept rebilling, and that was getting you entries into every muscle car giveaway since then. And this one hit. You are the winner of this 1970 Charger and 50 grand, my friend.
This is the 30th RestoMods giveaway?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
this is
sir.
us.
You're our 30th winner.
Y'all kidding me.
We are not joking, man. This is.
I can't. Let me get. Man,
All right.
Yeah. Take it easy there, Derrick.
Take a breath. Take a breath and just take it all in, man. This is so.
I don't know what to do.
How are you feeling right now? I don't even need to ask how you're feeling right now. I can tell how you're feeling right now.
I gotta tell my wife.
Tell your wife.
Tell your
man.
wife. Yeah, is she there?
We won the car and the $50,000. Oh, I can't believe this.
It's real. It's real.
You guys are live on YouTube right now.
Yeah. If you guys want to see your reaction live on YouTube, we're streaming this live on YouTube. I just want to make sure it's okay with you that we're doing that because we didn't exactly get a clear answer earlier.
No, man, I'm just so freaked out. I I was sitting there sleeping in my bed. And
Oh,
I'm
man.
gonna tell you, this is how what I did today. I forgot about you guys. I said, these are the people. My wife tell me this is between me and her. She think I'm talking to somebody. This are the people. These, I can't. She don't know what's going on.
What-
But let me explain.
What were you doing today?
I was sleeping, man. I was sleeping. I just got off from work. Early. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back. Man, I don't know what to say. Y'all have changed my life.
Yes,
Wow.
sir. I
And
love
I
it.
just got off from work. You know, I'm just a hard-working guy. I've been working long years. And UPS like 30, almost 39
Oh,
years.
wow.
Wow,
And
congratulations.
nothing like this have ever happened to me. I'm just so grateful and thankful. But I was just thinking, man, I was just thinking all the people that went before me and won, and I was really happy for them, and I was a little mad at it because I was just thinking
Perfectly
maybe it could
natural.
happen to me. And I remember the first woman that won. I want to say Michelle that won the
Chevelle.
blues. Chevelle, yes, the
Yeah.
Chevelle. Yeah, she won the Chevelle, and I was so happy for her.
Oh,
And
that's good karma.
I just say congratulations. And she was a bus driver, right?
Correct.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, and man, I would have never known it would have happened to me. So if anybody is hearing this, just keep your entry. It may just happen to you. I am so shocked. I mean, this is a life changing for me. I mean, I work at UPS. Thank God for UPS. But hey, I got me a dream car, and that car reminds me, of. Is that the same one they use in Dukes of Hazzard?
It's very similar.
Very
yeah,
similar, yeah.
It's pretty much it, man.
Yeah.
I used to love the General Lee. Every time I see Bowen and Luke, they,
Well, that's gonna be you, man.
I mean, I'm gonna have a car like that. Wow.
Yep.
I didn't know y'all was gonna call me.
Well-
How did it mix up? Did they make a mistake or what?
No.
I
Well,
mean, I'm the wrong person. You should be calling
Hey,
somebody from
we-
North Carolina or Washington, D.C.
No,
Like
man.
that little guy here in Cedar Hill, Texas.
Texas.
This
You're
little
our-
town.
You're our second Texan winner ever. We our 12th sweepstakes, that guy was from Texas. You are our second winner from Texas. And yes, this car is yours. We got the name from our third-party compliance sweepstakes services. They draw all the winners for us, and then they give us the name of that winner, and you were that name.
You know what? I got to tell you, Joe. I see you, Joe, all the time. Boy, you test drive those cars, Joe. You know how they drive, Joe. I see you, Joe. I'm telling you, I see you. Look, there, I see you. And you make sure they are good there.
Well,
Top.
I can't take all the credit. I have Chris right next to me here. He actually builds all the cars, and he built this 70 Charger from the ground up.
Hey, what's up, Derrick? We appreciate you so much, man. Thank you for staying in, keeping the faith, and we're honored that you're our lucky winner, man. It's awesome.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm so honored. I'm so thankful, because sometimes you go in life, you don't know if something could happen to you, and one thing I want to share with you guys, just a few years ago, I lost my heart. And he was like the heart of my family, but he's my greatest hero, and that's my son. And he was a special needs adult. He was born with Down syndrome. His name is the same as mine, but he's a junior, Derrick Jones Jr. And I just think I'm going to just dedicate this card to just in his remembrance because of the things that he did. He's my biggest hero. Me and my wife allow him to give his organs to this this donor, and we know we're so grateful. that 4 people are still living because of our son.
Wow.
And I this would just be great for me, and just something to lift me up, and the family and whatever. But
Man.
I'm just so grateful. I'm just so grateful. I didn't know that I would be the one. I had no idea. I'm gonna say this, Joe. I got to say this because I want people to have hope out there that's playing it or entering in. You never know. It could be your time. Because what I did today, I was unselfish. I said, I'm not going to win today. No way, no how.
Wow.
This is what I said. That's why you saw. That's why I didn't answer. I wasn't anxious for nothing.
Oh,
And I'm
man.
sitting here dreaming. And I first saw my phone. I said, Joe, who is Joe? Let me see. I called.
Joe.
I'm about to text him. I'm like, okay. I'm saying, okay, well then, right. Then I tried to call again, and I looked again. I said, man, this is from California. And then I said, okay. And I was like, okay. And then that's when you called me, and I was like, wow, I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. It is incredible. But thank you guys for doing what y'all do, because it's great, because y'all shine a little light on us, on the people who may never get to this point where they can get something that that they can just say, man, look at what I got, and I'm excited.
Absolutely,
Thank you,
man.
Thank you.
Hey,
Thank you.
thank you for believing in us and giving it a shot. And you are our 30th winner. Congratulations, Derrick.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Well, hey,
Thank you.
we're gonna end the live stream here, and we're gonna call you right back so that we can get you your paperwork and start getting the ball rolling on your grand prize, my man.
Okay. Yes. Okay. You gonna call me back? Okay. Thank you.
All right. I'll call you right back.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Oh man, I'm holding back the tears. That was like
Wow.
that touched my heart, man. That's
Dude.
so awesome.
So awesome. I mean,
Wow.
we went from like 5 straight to voicemails and then to that. I mean,
It's a roller coaster.
roller coaster, man. But that's awesome. I'm so happy for Derrick.
That's amazing.
It sounds like he's a car guy through and through, whether he's a Chevy guy or a Mopar guy. It sounds like he's gonna love the shit out of this 1970 Dodge Charger. So
I love it.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we did our part. Next thing you guys can do, if you didn't win, if your name's not Derrick, you can get entered to win RM31 67 Camaro. Really, really badass supercharged 427 car. And you guys will be seeing us fly Derrick out, watch him receive the prize. I can't wait to meet him. He's just such a big character already. I can just tell that this is going to be exciting. But if you want to be on the other end of that call, get in for RM31. And thank you guys for tuning back in. Sorry for the roller coaster, but I think it was worth it, man.
Yeah.
It was cool.
all right.
Thank you.